How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how long it usually takes to verify your individual KYC on BYBIT. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So as you guys can see from my screen here, I'm currently on BYBIT's website, and uh, they actually provided an answer to how long it typically takes for the verification to go through. And it says here that it usually takes 48 hours, so at tops 2 days. Now the whole verification process would take 15 minutes, but for all the data, the KYC data to actually go through, it would usually take up to 48 days. Oh, no, sorry, not 48 days, but 48 hours, so 2 days. Now, the reason for this is because, as we all know, everything crypto related is encrypted. So to add that extra layer of security, they would have to make the data as complex as possible so it can't be easily decrypted or taken by thieves or crypto scammers. So yeah, to answer everyone's question, it usually takes 48 hours. So there you guys have it. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.